Hi, this is David with Riser Forklifts. This truck came in with a couple issues. We went thoroughly through it, and for one, the pedal was going all the way down to the floor, so we decided to do a brake inspection on it and found that the brakes are way under spec. Another issue with this truck is the lift cylinders. It was going on the outer stage first, and the center was not going up. Found that the cylinders are bypassing. We're going to be rebuilding every single cylinder, all three in the mass on this unit. Also, we have no seat belt on this truck, so we're going to be installing a seat belt for the customer. We do have underneath, there's a steering cylinder under here that's leaking. We're going to be resealing this cylinder also. Pretty much. Also, when you start this truck, it's got a fan bearing and tensioner bearing that's going out. We're going to also be replacing that. If you listen back here, we do have a lot of noise coming from the bearings right now. We're going to be replacing those and also the fan belt. Also, we're going to be doing a hydraulic system service on it, a transmission service, and also brake flush. Now, with the brakes, if you notice how thin they are, they're really thin. Let's walk over into a new brake and look at one of those. So with the brakes, you see how much meat is on this brake right here? The other one is way below spec. That was causing the pedal to go to the floor over time. So we're going to fix that also for him. Hey, if you need service, don't hesitate to call Riser Forklift or look us up online at riserforklift.com, forklift911.com, and also forkliftdown.com. We'll definitely help you out and get your forklift up and running again.